For nearly 9 months, hospital staff have spent their days watching COVID-19 change the lives of some of their patients and taking the lives of others. And on this Thanksgiving Day, the reality of those patients being alone in the hospital hasn't gotten any easier. Jesse Cohen tells us how some hospital staff are coping with working this holiday.
Working on holidays comes with the territory when you're saving lives and protecting your patients. That's been Kevin Melzer's reality for as long as he's worked in a hospital. But this year, it's been even more difficult.
I mean, it's a struggle every day to come to work to put on all the PPE and to go in knowing what we have to face.
He's used to spending the holidays away from his family, but it's been even worse this year with COVID-19 keeping them apart for months at a time.
Now is even harder more than it was ever before because there's a couple of new babies in my family and I haven't had the opportunity to see them.
He says it's a price he's willing to pay because these patients need his time more than he does, especially right now as numbers are rising, more people are getting hospitalized, and the end of this virus is nowhere in sight.
The people who don't work in the hospital don't really see those numbers being attributed to lives.
Seeing those patients firsthand hasn't been easy, but getting through it has been possible because of those alongside him.
It's the people that I work with day in and day out that make this possible, the people that I laugh with and I smile with, because even though that there's sadness and this is affecting everybody around us, we still come together as kind of like a hospital family.
Kevin says they are the reason he can get through this.
I can't be with my family, so these people have been my family and continue to be my family.
He is just one person who works with patients every day on ventilators, patients who have experienced the worst of COVID-19. He doesn't want to see anyone else suffer. So this Thanksgiving, he's asking the community to put people's lives in front of one holiday celebration.
I understand it. I want to be with my family. I can't. It's a sacrifice we all kind of have to make, and just when are some people willing to make it and when others aren't, and we'll kind of see the consequences, unfortunately, later on.
For the Night Team, I'm Jesse Cohen.